Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file grievance for PF step by step. Start by collecting your UAN, member ID, salary slips, and any communication with your employer so you have all evidence ready. Next, decide whether to file through your employer, EPFO online portal, or offline letter based on urgency and accessibility. I will walk you through each channel clearly, including common pitfalls and quick tips to speed resolution. Collect all supporting documents before you start the grievance form so submission is smooth and complete. Scan or photograph your UAN, Aadhaar, PAN, bank statement, and any employer letters, and name files clearly. Draft a concise narrative that states the problem, dates, and actions taken, and keep screenshots of portal errors handy. Organizing materials first reduces back and forth and helps the officer resolve your PF grievance faster. Access the EPFO grievance portal and sign in using your UAN credentials to begin the complaint process with confidence. Choose the correct grievance category, enter a clear description, upload the documents you prepared, and submit carefully so nothing is missed. Save the generated grievance number for tracking and check the portal periodically for updates or requests for additional information. Respond promptly to any queries to avoid unnecessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.